People like Messi or Ronaldo, they seem to having some God-given talent. They're so fast, they're so quick. The ability may look godly, but theoretically and scientifically they are centrally based on the same principle. Neurons that fire together, wire together. So when we practice the same craft regularly over a long period of time, we fire the same neuron ensemble. And every time they fire, they wire a little more strongly. Yeah? And the stronger the wiring, the brain signal can travel faster. It is believed even 100 times faster. So if we want to become good, fast at anything, we need to fire the neuron ensemble many times. That's it. And you know something? We use the same scientific principle to make children very, very fast, super fast at maths in our programs.